Hello, Steve from TechBuzz. We're back with the Poly Sync 40. We're going to give you a review of it now and tell you what we think. And it's an actually excellent piece of kit. I also like the hardware itself. It's really nice. It's different than others out there, even though it's more office orientated and for more than one person. It's quite adequate for one and great for more than one. So on the front here, you see you've got the poly banding in metal raised. You've got a fabric on top. You've got some touch keys up top as well, which you'll look at in a minute when you see it turning on. You've got two really cool light bars to go across here, and you've multiple connectivities options via cable, and you can charge up with USB. You can also connect with Bluetooth. It comes with a dongle, or you connect it directly to your computer with Bluetooth, and your cable wraps around here. So on the side here, you've got a pairing button, USB, and your power on and off. And on this side here, you've got another port here. So I'm going to power it on and show you what happens.
Battery high.
And you can see there, you've got the LEDs going across the top.
PC connected.
And we're connected to our PC now as well. So that's basically what it looks like there in the startup and all that. Pretty cool. So you've got your Teams here. You see it's Teams compatible. And you've got your Bluetooth button here. Your rocker button here, you can customize and get out. You can get your Siri and all that kind of stuff. Your calls here, volume up and down, and a mute. And note the bar changes. So just to put some context onto that there, if you change the volume, you can see it'll turn down your PC here, and that's what it looks like there. And up here, you can see what's going on here. So that's what it looks like there, and the functions of it. And of course, Team certified there, as you can see. You've got a cool button here, and this will automatically come across onto your laptop here. So you can see PolySync 20 here. So we're going to do a sample now of the calls, what they sound like from this speaker. And we're going to connect it. You can use it as a conventional Bluetooth speaker as well to play music on, which is really cool. And it's more than just available to use just in your office, which is quite cool. So what we're going to do next is connect the call, and then we're going to give you a sample of music on it and show you what it sounds like, and that'll just wrap it up. And I have to say, it's a nice speaker. It's actually one of my favourite speakers this year, I have to say, and it looks really, really well indeed, and can be placed anywhere in the home. And as I said, it's not just for the office. You can use it as in a personal capacity as well. So next up, we're going to get some samples of audio from the speaker during the Zoom call, or Teams call, sorry. And then we'll have some samples just playing some standard music, and you can pick up what you think then after that and check them out now coming up next. Hello, this is TechBuzz, and this is what it's going to sound like testing the PolySync 40, using this as a Bluetooth connection and to give better audio in a smaller space or confined space. Overall, it's going to give you much better clarity and volume than your typical PC or laptop speakers. So up next, we're going to listen to some music connected via Bluetooth to a smartphone or whatever the case is. So next up, we're going to give you a listen to what it's going to sound like coming from PC, and it's quite excellent. So let's have a listen to some royalty-free music next. So that pretty much wraps it up for the PolySync 40. Really nice piece of kit, and I recommend you check it out. And don't forget, you've got all the features here as well. So you can mute here, volume up and down. You see the colour bar changing, your Bluetooth, your Teams, and your rocker button there, which you can use as well, which you can alternate there or change with the Poly software. And then again, your buttons up on the side, and that's pretty much it. So we're going to now power down and that will be it
Power
for
off.
this. I love all these spoken annotations as well. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video on techbuzzireland.com.